Let's explore JavaScript control flow. This is an essential building block of programming that controls the program's execution path, making code dynamic and responsive. Here are the variations of the if-else statement. First, a simple if statement executes a block of code if a condition is true. Then, an if-else statement executes one block of code if the condition is true and another block if the condition is false. The flow diagram here shows the condition being checked. If it is true, it goes one way, and if false, it goes the other way. Now let's look at else-if chains. These are used when you have multiple conditions to check in sequence. As shown in the example, if the score is greater than or equal to 90, the grade is A. If not, it checks if the score is greater than or equal to 80. If it is, then the grade is B, and so on. The conditions are evaluated from top to bottom. The first matching condition gets executed, and the rest are skipped. The else statement acts as a catch-all for remaining cases. It is good to order the conditions from most specific to most general. Nested conditions are when you place one if statement inside another. Here's an example for user authentication. First, it checks if the user is logged in. If they are, it then checks if they are an admin. If they are an admin, it checks if they have the required permissions. Although nesting is possible, it is often better to flatten nested conditions using logical operators like AND. Also, using the early return pattern can help keep the code cleaner. Let's compare the switch and if statements. The switch statement is great for checking multiple exact matches. It provides a cleaner syntax for many conditions. However, it only does equal comparisons, and one needs to be mindful of using the break statement. The if statement is more flexible with the condition types. It is better for range comparisons but can become verbose and less readable with many cases. Let's delve into conditional and logical operators. The ternary operator, denoted by question mark and colon, provides a shorthand for simple if-else statements. Logical and operator, which is double ampersand, is used for conditional rendering. The logical or operator, which is double pipe, is used for default values, and the nullish coalescing operator, denoted by double question mark, is used for null or undefined values. Here are some best practices when using conditionals. Use early returns to reduce nesting and improve readability. It is also better to use positive conditions when possible. For default values, use logical operators for clean defaults. Also avoid deep nesting. Flatten nested conditions when possible to keep your code clean and readable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.